In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Shopee quickly and easily. Whether you're new to online shopping or just new to Shopee, signing up is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Shopee account and be ready to start exploring the many great deals and products available. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Shopee website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopee URL. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can begin the sign-up process. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a variety of products featured right from the start, but for now, our focus will be on creating your account. Next, look for the Sign Up button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the page, making it easy to find. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. At this point, Shopee gives you a few options for how you can create your account. You can choose to sign up using your phone number, or you have the convenience of signing up through your existing accounts on platforms like Facebook or Google. Each method is simple, but choose whichever you're most comfortable with. If you decide to use your phone number, ensure that it's currently active, as Shopee will send you a verification code to confirm your registration. Choosing to sign up with Facebook or Google is particularly handy if you want to save time and avoid the hassle of memorizing yet another set of login credentials. Clicking either option will prompt you to log into your existing Facebook or Google account, and from there, Shopee will handle the rest by connecting your information seamlessly. This method is not only quicker, but also streamlines your online accounts, linking them together for added ease of use. Once you've selected your preferred sign-up method and completed any necessary verification steps, you're done. Your Shopee account is now ready to go. That was easy, right? With your new account, you can start browsing and shopping to your heart's content. Shopee offers a wide array of categories and deals that are updated regularly, so you're sure to find something that catches your eye. To wrap things up, let me remind you to explore Shopee's platform features like wish lists, flash sales, and vouchers for an enhanced shopping experience. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopee's customer support, which is known for being quite helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Shopee account. Happy shopping!